Castor oil is produced by cold pressing castor seeds and then applying heat. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to make this video. Castor oil. Okay. Today's video is on how to prepare castor oil. Castor oil. The last time this video was on coconut oil. So today we are going to prepare castor oil. And castor oil also have so many amazing benefits. I'm going to discuss everything on this video. So let's stay tuned and then watch it to the end. Okay. So let's begin. You get your castor seed from the plant, and from the beginning of the video I showed a fresh seed. Yes, so that seed should undergo drying. Yes, and it took me about a week, let's say 5 to 7 days, for the seed to dry up. Yes, so as the seed start drying up, it begins to break out, and then you will get that tiny seed in the shell of the castor. Is it castor what? Okay, castor whatever. So you get a seed, that small thing inside. So this seed, this small seed, that is what we're using for the oil. So to get enough of the oil, I would advise that you get plenty of the castor seed. Yes, because after the shell breaking out, it will left with this tiny thing, and if it's not enough, you won't get enough oil. So you have to get plenty of it. Okay, so after we've dried everything up and then we've gotten the seed from the plant, we have to heat it. Like, is it frying? Yeah, we have to fry it in a pan. Oh, as we fry, you can smell the thing. It's like frying granite. But this is not edible. You can't eat it. But this is so tempting. I wish I can eat it, but I can't eat it. Yeah. So we have to fry it so it becomes like, is it yeah, roasting. Ow. What is it? I'll get back to you. Okay, when it starts looking like burnt, yes, like burning, then you can take it off from the fire and then allow it to cool down. I use the mortar. I use the pounding method. If you have a blender, you can use the blender. If you want to grind it, you can still do so, but I use the pounding method. I use the mortar and a pestle. Yeah, and then I pounded it, so it might not be totally pounded. Yes, let's say might not be totally smooth like what the blender can give me. In case my pounded castor seed is not too smooth, forgive me because I use the pounding method. So as we are done with the pounding, yes, we will put our water on fire. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to make a suggestion, don't forget to comment and I'll give you a feedback. Castor oil is a vegetable oil which is derived from the castor seed of the plant Ricinus communis. Ricinus communis. Yes, and this plant is mostly grown in Africa, South America, and then India. Normally, castor oil, the water where you have to mix the pounded or grinded castor seed to get the oil, it needs to be plenty. I mean plenty. And this will take about 3 to 4 hours to evaporate. So to save time, I used a little water. Yes, I used a little water so that I can save time. So I'll say this is another method of making castor oil at home. So as I use the water, since the water is little, the evaporation will take place as soon as possible. So as the water starts to evaporate, you could see the oil coming on the surface. Yes. But you can't scoop that oil. Yes. So I waited for some time for all the water to evaporate where I can see the oil well. Then after that, I poured another water in it. Yes, so when I pour the water on in the mixture, in the paste, I realized that the oil has settled on top of the water. So it was so easy for me to scoop it. So I scooped the oil with the water in a bowl. Yes. This method really saves time. So if you don't want to stress yourself or use a lot of gas just to get this oil, then you have to choose this method because this method will take you about 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes for the oil to start appearing, and then you just add water and then you scoop it. Yes, you could see that after adding the water you could see the oil so clearly. So that is when I start taking that, scooping it from the surface. Yes, so after taking it from the paste or from the mixture or whatever, then you put it in a saucepan and then you place it on fire again, and this will take you about 5 minutes for the water to evaporate. Then you are free. Your oil is ready. Yeah, then your oil is ready. Yeah, so let's watch the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And let me say thank you to all my subscribers as well. Castor oil. Castor oil has antibacterial properties which helps to fight acne. So if you have acne on your face, just take a bit of castor oil and mix it with coconut oil, olive oil, or any carrier oil, because castor oil is very thick. Yes. And then apply this oil on your face and then go to bed. It also has an antioxidant properties, and this helps to prevent wrinkles. So you add a carrier oil, as I mentioned, coconut, olive, whichever you want, and then you use it on your face. Castor oil is also a great moisturizer, and this helps to keep your skin so healthy, young, and shiny. I can't wait to use it. In fact, I'll use this castor oil and then I'll make a video of the results to you people. So you can mix it with a coconut oil, or you can mix it with shea butter, and then you can use it as your pomade, your moisturizer. Yes. Castor oil also has an anti-inflammatory properties, and this helps to soothe sunburn. Yes, so we can use castor oil as our moisturizer, and this will help to prevent sunburn due to the anti-inflammatory properties. You can use castor oil as your lip gloss. Yes, your lip gloss. If you have a dry lips like mine, please don't forget to use castor oil, because it is a good oil for lip. Yes. We can also use castor oil for our eyelashes. Aside this beauty aspect of castor oil has another benefit on hair. Helps to fight dandruff, add shine to add shine to hair, promotes hair growth. I also make a video on how I use castor oil for my hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time, and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't do so. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. So this is what I had from the castor seed. Yes, this is the oil I had. Bye.